The following is a training video for the teacher login for the Parents Evening software. First of all, to sign in as a teacher, you will need to go to the site that has been created by the school. This will be a .schoolcloud.co.uk address, and this will be provided to you by the school. Make sure you select the teacher login option, and you will then either be logging in with single sign-on option that's been set up by the school, or you'll be logging in with your teacher username and password. When you sign into the software, you'll be able to see your dashboard. Up at the top on the right hand side, you have the option to change the evening that you're currently viewing. So if there are several evenings on several dates and times, you can select the relevant evening to view. Also on the dashboard, you will see that we have reports built in showing what your availability is like, students who have booked appointments, and also the parent attendance. These reports will update automatically. If we scroll down, we can also see our schedule. You'll be able to see the time, the name of the student, parent, subject information. You will also see an attendance column on the right-hand side. As a teacher, you can update the attendance manually for parents at any time from choosing an option from the drop-down list. If the appointments are taking place via video, when the parent connects to the call, the attendance will automatically update the parent as present. On one of our appointments here, you can see that there's an additional symbol appearing. If we hover over this, we can see that this symbol is showing that this particular parent has requested that a translator be available. If you move to the right hand side and select the button, you will see that you will also have the option to enter notes onto the software. These notes are private, so only you as the teacher can access any notes that you've added here. The school may have also enabled the option for parents to enter messages to you. If that is the case and a parent has entered a message when they've scheduled their appointment, you will also be able to access the parent messages in this drop-down list here. There are several permissions that the school may have also enabled for you as a teacher. One option is the ability for you to edit and remove existing appointments. If enabled, you will see these in this drop-down here. If you change an appointment or remove an appointment for a parent, they will automatically be notified via email. If you're deleting an appointment altogether, you will also get the option to enter a custom message which will be included on the email sent to the parent. Another permission which may have been enabled for you as a teacher is the ability to add appointments on behalf of parents. You will see this up at the top next to the option to print your appointment schedule. Simply select the Add Appointment button. From the drop-down list, select the name of the student that you're making the appointment for. This will bring up a drop-down list of contacts that you have on the software for that student. So select the parent that you're making the appointment for, then choose the subject. You will then have the option to add an appointment. We can see this particular parent already has an appointment in place, so it's giving us the option to remove that. Please note that when you're making an appointment for the parent, the software will only allow you to book a time that both you and that parent are available. When the appointment has been added, the parent will automatically be notified via email. If we choose to delete this appointment from here, we can see that all the time slots are now showing a green option because we can add an appointment for this parent. If we go back to the dashboard and scroll down, the next permission that may be available to you as a teacher is the option to manage your own availability. If you have this enabled, you may have the option to change your start and end times for a particular evening. So if you have a larger class and you want to be available for a longer period, you can manually adjust that. Down at the bottom, you may also see the option to add break times. So this is where you would go to add any periods of time during the evening where you will not be available for appointments. Back on our dashboard, we can see that this particular evening is due to take place via video. All you have to do as a teacher to join into the appointment schedule is select the option to join video appointments. On this screen, you will see the ability to check your audio and video connection. As you can see, as I'm speaking, we're getting an update on how much sound the software is capturing. But we also have the ability here to change our device settings. If you need to switch from one camera to another camera, you can select that from the drop down up here at the top. And down at the bottom, you will also have the option to change microphone. Once you've chosen the correct camera and microphone that you wish to connect, simply select the option Done at the bottom, and you will then see the option to proceed to your video call schedule. Here we can see our schedule, and we can see that we have our parents up here at the top. So we can see the parent we have the appointment with now, and we can see the status, so these parents are online. And down at the bottom we have the other parents within our schedule. When you're ready to connect to the parent, simply select the button to join in. Once you're in a video call with a parent, you will still see your icons here at the bottom. So you can see your audio icon and camera icon. If you decide that you don't want to be on camera for the appointment, you do have the option to select and disable camera and just to use the audio functionality only. Here we can see the parents appeared for in front of us, and we can see that the countdown timer has started. So this will display the time remaining for your appointment. If you do accidentally press the hang up button and end an appointment sooner, the screen will show you how many minutes are remaining within that particular appointment, and you do have the option to press the green button to simply rejoin your video call, and again the parent will reappear. At the end of each call, you'll be presented with a button to start your next video call, and you'll just be taken through the schedule of parents one after the next until all of the appointments have finished. And that is how you sign in and